and today we're working on something a little bit different. We just got this kit in the mail, and let me show you what we got. Here you go. You've got the REDLINE synthetic oil change kit. We're going to be doing the oil service on our 2013 Softail Deluxe. Obviously, it's a Harley Davidson. We got this pack in the mail. We ordered it online. We're going to open it up and see everything that it comes with. Supposedly, you get the oil change, the transmission fluid. You're supposed to get everything you need to do it. Primary side fluid. Sorry, camera's going a little crazy here. Doing this one-handed. There it goes. Okay. Get this cut open here. I don't want to go crazy with the razor knife or nothing and cut the bottle that's in there. So I was going to get my stuff through the local Harley dealer, and then I had seen this pack online, and it was a lot cheaper. And it had some really good reviews that followed it. So let's see how it comes and what all it comes with as we open it up here. So right out of the gate, you can see it comes with the primary side funnel that is totally badass. It's on the proper angle to do a full, so you can drain your old and add the new, no problem. So that's real cool. That was one thing that I thought for sure I needed to have. And then you see here, we've got a REDLINE oil snapback hat. Pop that thing open. Wow, it actually seems pretty nice for free. It's got a little dent here, but we'll have the wife take care of that. She'll iron it out or something. So you get the hat. I didn't really care too much about it, but it does come with it. Let's see here, you've got a complete fuel system cleaner. It comes with, so I don't even remember seeing that in the ad, so that's pretty cool. And then you've got the K&N replacement oil filter, which is obviously real good. That's a good name brand one. So that came with the kit, and it is in chrome. They offer it in black or chrome. That's what it was. So let's see, we've got gear oil, motor oil, gear oil, motor oil, motor oil. So you got four quarts of the motor oil there, and then you've got a 5th quart. So there you go. You get 5 quarts, and then you obviously get the REDLINE fuel system cleaner. And then last but not least, they're going to go ahead and they're going to throw you in a few stickers to go with your hat and everything else. There you go. That's what you get. That's what you call brought to you in the mail. Didn't have to go get it. And I got this whole kit online for just over $100. Let's not forget to throw this in there. Okay. So we got that for just over $100, and I believe if I would have went and bought all this stuff separately through Harley, by the time I got a funnel and the filter and everything, man, I would have been well over $200. The service at Harley Davidson is just over $350, so I didn't really see that necessary. What we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna get the bike out, get it set up, and we'll begin doing the fluid change. All right, guys, here we are. We're out here with the shop bike, and we're adding in our new oil, our 20W50. We're gonna put 3 quarts in it, and then once we run it, we'll check the oil. Real quick, what I'll tell you is the oil drain plug for this is directly where the foot peg is, up underneath, and it's a 5/8. And then on the 6-speed transmissions, your dipstick is here. The 5 speeds are up here in the front, and the drain plug for this is right underneath between the 2 Softail shocks. Kind of go underneath. You can see the 2 shocks. Here's the oil drain plug there, and let's see if we can. I don't know if you saw that or not, but that's basically it. Then what you want to do is you want to pull the dipstick there and there when you drain them so that it can vent properly. And then you'll add your 3 quarts of motor oil back in there, bring it up to running temperature, check it. You'll put about 24 ounces of transmission fluid in, and then we'll go to the other side and we'll do the primary case. So just a little oil change video out here today, trying out a new product. Take it for a ride, see how it does. Stay tuned.